different ways of making, but these are two most common elements in that. The first wine that you're trying is a Vijay Amitraj Reserve Collection. It's a 2012 vintage. It's a blend of Cabernet Sauvignon, Syrah, and a little percentage of Viognier, which is the white grape variety. This wine is matured in French barrique for about 12 months. So that's where you would see that there's more complexity which comes from the oak integration into this wine. Now, what do we get with this wine is basically a lot of dark fruits. So you can expect blackberries, blackcurrant, cherries. You get a lot of complexity from the oaks. You have vanilla.
You know, I'll tell you something. In a Delhi Wine Club, people hate us. They said you are a lousy club because you talk too much. There's too much of noise. I say, well, that's a compliment. So guys, it's a compliment. You're enjoying the wine, but thoda sa Bombay jam jana isko suno na. There's a lot of gyan in that. I tell you one thing. In wine, please understand. I've been to probably more than 100 foreign trips. I have gone to more than 500 vineyards, tasted 20,000 wines, and today I feel that I don't know much about wine. So jitna seekh lo utna enjoy karoge.
So basically, I just cut it short. You have two wines in front of you. Both the wines, as I said, are made with the Cabernet and Syrah as a blend. First one has a little bit of Viognier. The remarkable difference in the two once you try is the first one is unaged. So there is no oak which has been used. It's made in stainless steel tank, no barrel fermentation at all, and it is more on fruitier style. You get more fruit with this wine. I'm talking about the second wine which is there in front of you. The Art Collection Cabernet Syrah. Whereas the first wine, which is a Vijay Amitraj Reserve Collection, it's a Cabernet Syrah but little bit of Viognier, but has been aged in barrique for more than 12 months.
I should tell you, but you know, Vijay normally had the other wine first because that's softer and this is much more complex wine, the first Vijay Amitraj collection. But I thought since they're the protagonists of today's evening, we get them together. So we have shifted the order a little bit, not the way it should have been. So therefore what he's telling you is, the first wine, which is a complex wine, got Cabernet, Shiraz and a bit of Viognier. Now this is a practice in south of France where they use Shiraz and Viognier. To use about 3 to 5% of Viognier. It gives a little roundness to the wine, and that's what they are doing, and they got excellent results with that. This wine is very much called silver medal. Yeah, so for the first year, it's got silver medal, so I think that's quite commendable. The next wine, which is simpler wine, you may not enjoy it after the first wine, but that's the whole idea of this tasting. See if you like the first wine better or the second one better. Second wine is Cabernet and Shiraz. They've been making it for many, many years. I think 1988 they started making it. And it's a simpler, fruity wine. Yes, ma'am.
Out of all the wines we've tasted, I would just like to say that the sparkling wine is really super.
Thank you. But ma'am, we have not tasted all the wine yet. I'll come back to you. Okay, good. That means you love champagne. I can tell you that. Yeah. Good. Lovely.
I think that is also something unique about wine as compared to any other segment of spirit or beer. There's a lot of variety in wine. I used to import wines earlier. I was importing from about 14 countries, and we were the second largest importer in India. And I love traveling a lot to Italy, even more than France, which obviously is one of the best winemaking regions in the world, because you travel to 20 regions in Italy and every region has some different grape to offer. There's a different style of making wine. So that is something which makes it more interesting, because every time that I travel, I've done maximum about 8 regions in one visit. I was there for about 8-9 days. But every time that I go there, there is something new to discover, and that's something which is very special about wine. Well, I love that. I have participated in three of their they have annual exhibition where they auction wine. I participated in 3 auctions and I bought wine there. So I think today most of the winemaking world, winemaking countries, they have certain regions, certain wine producers who make really, really good quality wine. It's no more that, generic things saying that France makes great wine and the rest of the world doesn't make wine. Today you can have Californian wines, you have New Zealand, South African, Argentina, India. We can compete with a lot of international world wines.
The South African wines are still one of the best wines.
Any comment on the
Anthony Merlot and Shiraz?
We are not tasting it.
Merlot is a very difficult grape to grow in Indian climate. It's not been very successful so far, but I'm sure that we
What about Shiraz? What about Shiraz?
We are tasting
Shiraz.
Cabernet Shiraz.
Cabernet Shiraz, in fact, Grover is the first winery in India I know for sure, which came out with Cabernet Shiraz, first in 89-90, and then they came with Lalzer. And Lalzer also is Cabernet Shiraz. That's the last one we did.
I'm also a bit perplexed. I mean, you come across all kinds of wines across the globe, but recently, and even about a couple of months later, I went to a lot of wine shops. I did not come across a good variety from South Africa or Australia, or even other countries like France. Unlike the Dubai airport or the other airports across the globe, where you see a good stock up on the wine from different regions across the globe. Do you know of any place where we can go and see and purchase wine coming from across the globe here in Delhi or in Gurgaon? Yeah.
In Delhi,
Our duty free shop is the worst in the whole world.
Not just that, even the
Okay, I can